In this video, I will be showing you how to get instant access to the Grok 3 API now. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the search bar. I type in console XAI and press enter to find the official developer console. From the search results, I look down and click on the Grok API key link. This brings me straight to the Space AI console dashboard. A small notification pops up at the top asking to add credits, but I focus on the main screen. I click on the option that says API Keys under the Start Using Your API Keys section. On the API Keys page, I see my existing active keys. To generate a new one, I move my mouse over to the top right and click the Create API Key button. A pop-up box appears asking me to name the new key. I click inside the name input field and type sample2. Once the name is set, I navigate down and click the Create API Key button at the bottom of the pop-up. The system generates the key immediately, and a new pop-up tells me my API key is all set. I click the small copy icon next to the key string to save it to my clipboard, and then click Done to close the window. Back on the dashboard, I can see sample 2 inches is now listed with its status showing as initializing. I wait a brief moment for the system to process. Now I click on the browser's address bar to open a new tab. I type in Grok and select the official grok.com website from the search suggestions. The Grok chat interface opens up with a clean design. I click on the primary text input field that asks, "What do you want to know?" To test things out, I type a prompt. Explain how the Grok API works in simple terms for someone with no programming experience. After making sure the text is correct, I click the upload icon on the right side of the box to send my query. The text output begins to stream onto the screen dynamically. It starts with a simple analogy, describing the Grok API as a magic window that lets other computer programs talk directly to the AI model built by XAI. I scroll down slowly to read through the breakdown. It outlines how a developer signs up to get a secret key, sends messages or requests through code, waits for Grok to think and reply, and then pays for usage based on tokens. The script format is cleanly laid out with distinct headers like, "What can you do with it?" and important easy to understand details. I continue scrolling down the page to review the rest of the text, ensuring all the generated explanations are clear and perfectly answering the prompt about how the API operates without requiring a deep technical background. Everything looks solid and easy to understand. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.